What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing a technical analysis on WKHS stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So I made my previous analysis on this stock right here at this point at the end of February, and I've made the detailed analysis of entire movement from this point to this one, and I predicted all the movements. I nailed this movement to the upside from this bottom to this level, and it was a 55% up movement, and I nailed this target to the tick. Then I predicted this potential accumulation point of 0.786 level, and for now from our main accumulation point we are already up for more than 50%, and it is very good sign. But if you want to check my previous video, you can find the link on this video in the description below and on your top right corner. So for now I want to pay your attention only on this movement from this bottom to this top, and let me switch to 1 hour time frame. Right here we have this movement to the upside, and definitely we have this wave as our strongest wave because we have very good volume right here, and in my opinion we have this Elliott wave breakdown. This is the first wave, this is the second, this is the third, fourth and the fifth wave right here. And because of fractal movements, this means we have waves inside the waves inside the waves and so on. This is only the third wave on a greater scale. So let's downgrade this scale, and on a greater scale, on a slightly greater scale, we have this breakdown. This is the first wave, this is the second, this entire movement is the third one, this is the fourth, and here is the fifth one. And let me upgrade this degree to minuet. And here we also have 5 waves. Again, let me show you right here. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Everything as a textbook. And for now we are in a downtrend from this top to this point. We are in a downtrend. We might have a retracement or we might go lower. I don't want to dive deep into fundamentals and into all the catalysts that might be for this stock. I just want to do my technical analysis and want to make some predictions in order to help you make your own decisions. And it is very important that you have to do your own due diligence. So let's switch to 4-hour time frame, and as you can see we bounce perfectly well from 55 exponential moving average, and we had rather decent volume as you can see on this green bar, and this might be a potential support from this level, and if this level holds we might hit some resistances that are above our current level. Let me clean the chart a little bit. And what do we have here? First of all, let's do some measurements with the Fibonacci retracement tool. From this bottom to this top, as you can see, we hit 0.382 level and bounce from this level. And again, we have 0.236 level as our short-term resistance. Next resistance might be at these two tops, and as you can see guys, technically we have higher highs with higher lows, and we have consistently higher lows with consistently higher highs, and technically we are on uptrend. But I have to warn you, because from this point we might hit lower levels as 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65. This is the most probable level of trend reversal. And from this point, if this stock will have enough bullish sentiment, if this stock will have enough support from Wall Street bets and Reddit community, we might have a trend reversal. But for now you have to be extremely cautious if you want to invest or if you want to catch the trade with this stock. Basically for now we have only half of the pattern, and from this top, from this very top, usually retracement has a shape of a simple zigzag. And we have this is our first wave, this potentially as our second, and we might even hit slightly higher levels, and I will show you my predictions for this top. And then we might have a C wave that might land at our Fibonacci retracement levels of 0.65 and 0.618. And how to define this top, this B point? And to define it, let me show you that we might have Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this very bottom. And as you can see, we've almost hit 0.5 level. And it is rather good retracement, but we also have an opportunity to hit not only 0.5, but this golden pocket, and from this point we might go lower. It is not 100% guaranteed, it is just a probable outcome for this stock, and you have to be cautious because for now we are pretty much neutral, and RSI and MACD are pretty much neutral. We are hovering in the middle of this zone, and according to MACD indicator on 4-hour time frame, we are starting to lose negative momentum. And let me switch to 3-hour time frame. Yes, absolutely the same situation with these two indicators. 2 hours time frame. Yes, we almost hit with the MACD indicator this zero level. It means if we will cross the zero line and if we start to tick to the upside, it might be positive momentum to hit our targets. So, and what should you do if you want to catch the trade? First of all, follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. These rules are very important because of the artificial sentiment of this up movement. We don't have enough fundamentals for now. I have to admit, for now we don't have enough fundamentals. This is just a pure speculation, and this is just a pure beginning of short squeeze. And if you decide to catch the trade, you can start to accumulate your position from this point, because we might go either way, but if we will go lower, you can ladder your buys down, and if we will go higher from this point, you already have a position. So, and what are the targets? Let me clean the chart a little bit. To project the targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this very top. And for now we have this as our lowest point, and I have to say that if this pivot holds, our targets will be in play, and if we will go lower, we have to adjust this tool in order to project new targets. So, and our next potential target, with the assumption that we have to land our third wave, might be at the level of $32.09, and we might achieve this target only in case that we will have enough steam from Reddit thread and from Wall Street Bet community in order to make a short squeeze and in order to make a gamma squeeze. Only in this case we might hit these targets. But also we have intermediate targets at 0.786 level and at 1-to-1 extension levels right here. So at $22.58 and $25.02. And basically, from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!